Now our topic is types of adsorption. Beta, types of adsorption is categorized into two categories. First, on the basis of concentration of adsorbate on the surface of adsorbent. Adsorption is of two types. On the basis of concentration of adsorbate on the surface of adsorbent, that is positive adsorption and negative adsorption. पॉजिटिव एब्जॉर्प्शन है, नेगेटिव एब्जॉर्प्शन. बेटा, if I dip my hand in a bucket of water, this much amount of hand is dipped in the water and moves out. Whole surface up to this level become wet because a layer of water adsorb on the whole surface. That means concentration of adsorbate is maximum on the surface as that of bulk of the solution. Bulk of the adsorbent. अंदर तो नहीं गया पानी, बल्क में तो नहीं गया, सिर्फ सरफेस पे और वो भी मैक्सिमम. When concentration of adsorbate is maximum on the surface of adsorbent, then bulk of the adsorbent or bulk of the solution, then this is known as positive adsorption. बेटा, positive adsorption is the adsorption of adsorbate or if concentration of adsorbate is maximum on the surface of adsorbent, if concentration of adsorbate is maximum on the surface of adsorbent, then bulk of the solution is known as positive adsorption. Beta, if we dip piece of chalk in colored solution and moves out, the level of chalk, suppose this level of chalk dip in the colored solution and moves out, whole the surface of chalk piece is adsorb that colored component and maximum level, that means it is positive adsorption. If this pen is dipped in the colored solution and moves out, this much level, beta, this level of this pen, plastic pen, dip in the colored solution and moves out, blue ink, black ink, some other colored solution and moves out. Whole surface is adsorbed by that colored solution. Answer is no. 1-2 drop or some droplets on this surface, but whole surface is not adsorbed. That means if concentration of adsorbate is minimum on the surface of adsorbent, is known as negative adsorption. Now, another classification, that is on the basis of experimental study or reaction between adsorbate and adsorbent. Beta, next one, on the basis of experimental study. Between adsorbate and adsorbent during adsorption Beta, adsorption is of two types. Adsorption is of two types. First one, physical adsorption. And second one, chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption is also known as physiosorption, and chemical adsorption is also known as chemisorption. Beta, physical adsorption means when adsorbate and adsorbent come close together, the adsorbent particle stick only on the adsorbent. No new compound is formed. No chemical reaction take place between them. They have weak van der Waals force of attraction between them. Then physical adsorption. And if adsorbent and adsorbent come close together and new product is formed, that means some chemical reaction take place. If chemical reaction take place, that is known as chemical adsorption. Beta, we study physical adsorption and chemical adsorption in the form of difference between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption is also known as physiosorption, and chemical adsorption is also known as chemosorption. Beta, each and every point in your exam, the difference between physical and chemical adsorption, this question is arise in 3 marks. 3 or 4 points are sufficient for you, but each and every point involved in the case of physical or chemical adsorption also be arise in your exam as 1 mark question. So each and every point of difference between these two is important for 1 mark question also. Now, first of all, adsorbent and adsorbate come close together by weak van der Waals force of attraction. That means we can say forces between adsorbent and adsorbate is weak van der Waals force of attraction. In this case, a chemical bond is formed between adsorbate and adsorbent. A chemical bond or we can say covalent bond is formed between adsorbate and adsorbent. First point, beta, chemical bond formed means chemical reaction take place, new product is formed or new compound is formed. In this case, new compound is formed. But here, only weak force of attraction, no chemical reaction take place. Second point, no any new compound is formed. In our exam, 1 mark question is like, in which type of adsorption new compound or product is formed? Answer is chemical adsorption. In which not formed? Physical adsorption. That is the 1 mark question in your exam. Beta, if chemical reaction take place, new product is formed. That means activation energy is required. In this case, activation energy is required because chemical reaction take place. Without activation energy, chemical reaction does not take place. In this case, chemical reaction does not take place. You will directly write activation energy is not required. Now, beta, if chemical bond is formed, it is not reversible, it is permanent. Only weak force of attraction that may be break anytime, it is reversible in nature. That means physical adsorption is reversible in nature. It is irreversible in nature. Because chemical bond formed, permanent compound is formed. Now, our next point, that is, beta, if chemical reaction take place, heat of adsorption is maximum. Chemical reaction not take place, heat of adsorption is minimum. Adsorption always exothermic. Either it releases small amount of energy or large amount of energy. And the energy that is released by adsorption is known as heat of adsorption. If you want to define heat of adsorption is the amount of energy evolved or released when 1 mole of adsorbate adsorbed. It is the definition of heat of adsorption. Either physical or chemical, heat of adsorption always be released. In case of physical adsorption, heat of adsorption is less, that is 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. But in this case, heat of adsorption is large because large amount of energy is released during the chemical reaction. Heat of adsorption is 40 to 400 kilojoule per mole. 40 to 400 kilojoule per mole. Now, next one. Beta, if chemical reaction take place, only one layer of such surface is used. But physical adsorption, weak van der Waals force of attraction, so adsorbate may enter into 2 or 3 level. So we can say it is unimolecular. It is unimolecular layer, or it is multi-layered. Process. Beta, physical adsorption, it's specific or not? देखो, physical adsorption only weak force of attraction, any substance can adsorb. In my hand, on this surface, either dust, water, some other type of component may be adsorbed, then wash with water, wash with soap, they will be removed out. But chemical reaction always specific. Particular bond formed between particular substances. So we can say physical adsorption is not specific in nature. But chemical adsorption is specific in nature. Chemical adsorption is specific in nature. One more point, that is temperature. Beta, if we increase the temperature, adsorbed gas will be dissolved. But here chemical bond is formed, so temperature does not affect. We can say temperature, rate of adsorption या rate of physical adsorption decrease with increasing temperature. Here rate of chemical reaction increase with increasing temperature. Rate of chemical adsorption increase with increase in temperature. This is the question. Write down the differences between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. If question is that, write down the short note or describe physical adsorption. Write all the points of physical adsorption. For chemical adsorption, write all the points. If you want to compare these, it is directly the difference. Now our query or question is that, what is the similarity between physical and chemical adsorption? Write down the similarities between physical and chemical adsorption. Beta, similarities between physical and chemical adsorption. These similarities are, beta, pressure is directly proportional to both type of adsorption. Pressure is directly proportional to the rate of adsorption. If we increase the pressure on the gas, rate of physical and chemical adsorption increase. Second, surface area. More the surface area, more is the rate of adsorption. It is also directly proportional. These two are the similarities, other are differences. Thank you.